Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Square full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in www.squareup.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the Square login page. Here, enter the email address associated with your Square account. Next, input your password in the designated password field. If you prefer, you can check the Remember Me option to stay logged in on this device. Once all details are entered, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Square dashboard. In case you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password by entering your email address again. Check your email for a password reset link. Open the email and click on the link to set a new password. After resetting, return to the login page to enter your new password. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard features and settings. That's how you can easily log in to your Square account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.